Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and color the first vowel of the alphabet, the letter A as in apple. Then we will draw and color a beautiful red apple with green leaves. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you haven't already, we'd love your support to continue creating content for kids. You can help us a lot by subscribing to our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, giving them a like means so much to us. Feel free to share our videos with family and friends who want to teach their children drawing and coloring. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's use the electric blue color. Now let's use a little bit of cyclamen purple. Now let's start drawing our beautiful apple.
Red apple named Melina. I want to tell you a little about myself and how special I can be in your everyday life. I hang from an apple tree, a tree that grows in orchards.
Now let's color it with red.
Trees are full of green leaves and beautiful flowers in the spring. When the flowers turn into fruit, that's when we apples are born.
Yay!
I am a sweet and crunchy fruit, full of juice that makes your mouth water. Inside me, there are small brown seeds. If you plant these seeds and take care of them, they can grow into a new apple tree. Just like the one I am on now. But I'm not just tasty to eat. Apples like me are full of vitamins that help your body grow strong and healthy. A bite of an apple gives you lots of energy to play and have fun. You can eat me just as I am, or slice me up and add me to your favorite snacks. And you know what? You can also make delicious pies, fresh juices, or sweet jam with me.
Now let's color it with green.
Besides being useful, I am also very beautiful. My red skin shines in the sun and makes the orchards colorful and happy. In autumn, when we are all ripe, the orchards become a wonderful display of red, yellow, and green. It's a magical place to run and play. So, the next time you see an apple, remember how special we are. We may be small, but we are full of surprises and can make every day a little sweeter and more colorful.
We've reached the end of this video. In the next one, we'll be coloring all the numbers from 1 to 20. If you haven't already, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel to support our work, so we can continue providing these drawings for children all around the world. If you enjoyed this video, giving it a like would mean so much to us and greatly help the sustainability of our channel. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.